Welcome back to my channel. On this episode, I will show you how to change the oil and filter on the Jeep JK Series trucks. The tools you will need for this job is a oil catch pan, a 13mm wrench or socket, and a 24mm socket wrench. I also recommend a torque wrench to properly tighten the bolts to specs. First, warm the engine to operating temperature. Let the engine run for 5 to 10 minutes to properly warm the engine oil. Next, I will remove the 13mm oil pan drain bolt to drain the oil. Be careful not to get burned because the oil is very hot. Next, I will locate and change the oil filter. The filter is located in the engine compartment. Remove the plastic engine cover. The oil filter housing is behind the alternator. Carefully turn to loosen the 24mm bolt on top of the oil filter housing. This engine uses a paper element type drop-in filter. Pull the filter from the cover of the housing. This is what the new filter will look like. Attach the new filter to the housing's cover. Carefully tighten the cover to specs. Next, locate the oil filler cap. It is located on the driver's side of the engine. This engine is a 3.6-liter V6 and it requires 6 quarts of oil. When you have successfully added the oil, replace the oil filler cap. You can check the oil levels if you like. Start the engine and check for oil leaks. If any leaks are present, shut off the engine immediately and correct the leaks. If everything looks good and there are no leaks, shut off the engine and make sure the oil caps are tight and replace everything that was removed from the engine. This concludes the oil change for the Jeep JK Series trucks. Until next time.